The art of war. Attack by fire. Attack by fire. Master Sun said there are 5 ways to attack by fire. The first is to burn men. The second is to burn supplies. The third is to burn equipment. The fourth is to burn warehouses. The fifth is to burn lines of communication. Attack by fire requires means. The material must be ready. There is a season for making a fire. There are days for lighting a flame. The proper season is when the weather is hot and dry. The proper days are when the moon is in Sagittarius, Pegasus, Crater, Corvus. These are the 4 constellations of rising wind. When attacking with fire, adapt to these 5 changes of fire. If fire breaks out within the enemy camp, respond at once from without. If fire breaks out but the enemy remains calm, wait. Do not attack. Let the fire reach its height and follow up if at all possible. If not, wait. If fire attack is possible from without, do not wait for the fire to be started within. Light when the time is right. When starting a fire, be upwind, never attack from downwind. A wind that rises during the day lasts long. A night wind soon fails. In war, know these 5 changes of fire and be vigilant. Fire assists an attack mightily. Water assists an attack powerfully. Water can isolate, but it cannot take away. To win victory, to complete an objective, but not to follow through, is a disastrous waste. Hence the saying, the enlightened ruler considers deeply, the effective general follows through. Never move except for gain. Never deploy except for victory. Never fight except in a crisis. A ruler must never mobilize his men out of anger. A general must never engage battle out of spite. Move if there is gain. Halt if there is no gain. Anger can turn to pleasure. Spite can turn to joy. But a nation destroyed cannot be put back together again. A dead man cannot be brought back to life. So the enlightened ruler is prudent. The effective general is cautious. This is the way to keep a nation at peace and an army intact. Please subscribe if you like it.